Hello everyone, welcome to UGC NetGate Studios. In this video, we will see a question which was asked in June 2020 exam of the UGC Net. This question is also on software engineering. Let's check out the question. A software project was estimated at 864 function points. Let me mark the important parameters. At 864 function points, a 6%, total number of persons are 6. A 6% team will be assigned to a project consisting of a requirements gatherer. There will be a requirements gathering person, one designer, two programmers and two testers. The salary of the designer is rupees 70,000 per month. Requirements gatherer is rupees 50,000 per month and programmer is rupees 60,000 per month, and it means salary of the tester is also 60,000 per month. Average productivity of the team is 12 function point per person month, means per person in 1 month, each person in a single month. So they are basically asking which of the following represents the projected cost of the project. So these are the option represents the projected cost. So here basically we have to find out the projected cost of the project. So how will I have to start it? So basically we will go with the function point. So totally we have, so in this case totally there are 864 function points. Okay, so basically there are 864 function points. So we are having a 6% team, number of person we have 6. Number of persons is equal to 6, and now I am dividing the person on the basis of their role in the project. Requirements gatherer, writing in short, requirements gatherer of A, means there is one requirements gatherer and his salary is let me see, the salary of the required 50,000 per month, salary 50,000. Okay, and then we have one designer. I have one designer here, designer 1. Requirements gatherer 1 number, designer 1 number. Designer's salary is 70,000 per month. So the salary of the designer is 70k. Now coming to the next one, there are two programmers, 1 into here and 2 into programmers, and this salary is salary of the programmer is 60,000. The salary of the programmer is also 60k, and we have two testers, 2 into, and this salary of the tester is also 60,000 per month, so it is 60k. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6, that is totally we have 6 persons. Okay, now we have totally 864 function point. Average productivity of the team is 12 function point per person month, means by a single person in a single month. So totally we have 864 function point, and the average productivity they are given, that is a single person in a single month can build 12 function points. So now for 864 function point, for 864 function points, if I divide 864 with 12, here 12, it is given the average productivity 12 function point per person month. So I will be getting here basically 12 7s are 84, 72, that is 72 per person month, ppm per person month, 72, and I am having total, it is by single person. Okay, it is by single person, but here we are having 6 persons. So for 6 person, the total function point is for 6 persons by 6 persons, it is 72 by 6, which is equal to 12. 12 says, so let me bring you again to this concept. So here we have 12 function point. Let me break this out for you. 12 function point per person per month, that is 12 function points can be built by a single person in 1 month. Okay, in 1 month. So we are having 864 function point. So when I divide it by 12, in case I divide it by 12, in that case the unit of 72, it is by per person, means in the previous unit I wrote the unit of ppm per person month. So it is basically the total number of months, needed to develop the function point by a single person. So when I am dividing 864 by 12, so that is by a single person, since it is per person month by a single person in 1 month. So when I am dividing this one 864 by 12, it is by single person, it will take 72 months. Okay, by single person it will take 72 months. And similarly we are having 6 persons, so for the case of 6 person, it will take 72 by 6, that is 12 months for 6 persons. This is 6 person months, not per month, it is person months. So for 6 person it will be taking 12 months. Okay, so it is 12 fp per person month, means by single person it is taking 1 month. Here 72 months for a single person. If the function point is developed by a single person, then it will be taking 72 months, and we are having 6%, so dividing 72 by 6, it is 12 months. Now they are asking the projected cost, so I got the total duration is 12 months. I am having one requirements gatherer and his salary is 50,000 per month, and he will be working for 12 months. So it is 12 into 50,000 plus, now we have one designer, his salary is 70,000, and he will be working for 12 months, writing basically in units. He will be also working for 12 months. Then I am having 2 programmers and 2 testers. The salary of one programmer is 60,000, and for 2 programmer it will be 1,20,000, and similarly for 2 tester the salary is one tester the salary is 60,000, and for 2 tester it will be 1,20,000. Okay, so 1,20,000 it's 2,40,000, because we are having 2 programmers, and each programmer draws a salary of 60,000 per month. So for 2 programmer it is 1,20,000 per month, and for the tester also it is 1,20,000 per month, and we are adding it and means combining their value together for ease of calculation. It is 2,40,000, and they will be working for 12 months. Okay, so this will basically give me 12 5 60, and with 4 zeros, 12 7s are 84, and with 4 zeros, and this is 24 12s are. So let's see, 24 12s are 24 10s are is 240, and 2s are 48. It is 288. I hope, yes. 24 12s are, it is 8 4, yeah, 288. 2 24 12s are 288 and 4 zeros. Sorry, and when I add it out, it is 4 zeros, 4 zeros, and 4 zeros. I am keeping 4 zeros. Now this turns out to be 8 4 12, 1 carried out, 8 plus 1 9, 3 1 3. Basically there is a mistake in the calculation, so it is basically 4. So here it is basically 4 4 3 2 00. So it turns out to be, it is so the carry will be 2 plus this 2 will be 4. So it was by mistake. So the answer will be option B here. So this is the correct option, that is answer B is the option B is the correct answer. So hope you like this video. We'll be bringing more videos of this type. This is basically a question on software engineering. These questions are literally large to see, but they are easy to solve. We'll bring we'll try to bring more sort of questions of previous year. So do like, share and subscribe the channel, and share this channel with your friends so that they will benefit for their exam preparation. Hope you like this video. Also do join the Telegram and WhatsApp group provided in the description section of this video. Thank you.